Hello, how are you? Welcome to this new video. Today we will see how play in a split screen mode or cooperative mode on PC with almost any game. So, first of all, we go to our browser and we look for the following: Nucleus, Hub. We enter the first result. And we go to the download section. It will take us to this page. What we do is download. And we go down to where it says installer.exe and we click there. And it will start to download the program. Now we go to the folder. We create a folder. We move the file that we download to the folder. And we run the file. We click yes. And we select the folder where we want to install it. Example. I put it in local disk and programs. Then we create a folder in the local disk where we want. Download it. Install it. And run the program. We select the folder where we want to install it. And we click OK. We wait for it to download. And it will be extracted. Then, when it says installation completed, we can go out. We can click on exit. And as you can see, it opened us a folder. Now what we do is click on Nucleus Launcher. We open it. It will start to load. Then we click OK. And we wait for it to open. It takes very little to open. As you can see, it already opened. Now, if we want to play a game, what we do is go to the part where it says Identity New Games, and we search here. What is the game? The game that we have downloaded. We search here. As you can see, we can look at games. All the games that appear here can be played in cooperative mode or in split screen mode. I start it. Then I look for the game that I have. Is this one here? And I click on install. We click yes. And very important, if the game does not appear here, what you have to do, is go to And we go to Properties. Now in Install Files. Now in Browse. And we go to the top right, in the empty part. We click, and we copy this link. We copy the direction of the folder. Now just, we go again to Nucleus. Add new games, and we search the game that we want. We click on Install. We click Yes. We click Yes. And very important, we select what is the .exe file, the executable file, to be able to open the game. And we click on Open. We click on OK. And we click Yes. Now we click on the game. We go down in the bottom part, and we click on the Tuangse. Now, very important, if you want to have the game for 2 players, what you have to do is click on this box that appears here. With this hand, we click, and it will divide the screen in 2. What the program will do is open 2 instances of the same game to be able to play in cooperative mode. And yes, we keep giving. It will divide in 2, but in a different way. In 6, in 8, and in many more. Then we can do the attempt. Then, so that the program recognize a control. All you have to do is press the B key. Press the B key, and you will open a logo of a control. I will do the example. Then I open the program to detect the computer that I have a control. I open the program. And now, the only thing I have to do is press the B button of the control. And as you can see, I already appear here. My control. Then, so that each game has a control specific, or a keyboard or a mouse specific. Keep the logo and drag it wherever you want, to the first or the second, or whatever you want, to the screen you want. We move it, and we move it. Now, second step. Now the only thing we have to do is give it play. We give it OK. And do not worry. We give it yes. Do not worry. The program takes a while to start the games, but it's just waiting a few seconds or minutes depending on your computer. Then, remember to be able to play. Well, you need to have a powerful computer. Powerful. And just wait. We wait. As you can see, the first game Now we wait until the second opens, and automatically the program will adjust. What is the screen? To adjust the game. We just have to wait until they all open to be able to play. We wait. And as you can see, it adjusted. Then, to be able to play, we must give it the example. We must give it create a game. And now, in the second player, you give the multiplayer and join the game. And the first player, what you must give is to give it to play, and automatically the two players enter the same game to play. We just have to wait. And as you can see, I am the first player. And this is the second player. I hope you liked it. Greetings to all. Subscribe and give the like if you can help. And goodbye.